Hello friends, and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I'm going to show you a way to help you detect false breakouts using volume. I've talked about divergences, for example, between the price going in one direction on the candlesticks and then the RSI line going in another direction. Oftentimes the RSI line tells the truth while the price action of the candlesticks is lying to you. Well, you can use volume much in the same way. I'm going to show you three examples, real life examples right now, but first I just want to let you know that if you need help with trading or investing, and you definitely want to have a plan, otherwise you're just doomed from the very start if you don't have a plan. You can contact me for coaching at davidmodell@gmail.com. Let's get into it. This is ABBV, which is ABV, and it is a perfect real-life example of a divergence between the price action of the candlesticks and the volume, okay? So you've got the volume telling the truth because, you see, just because the candlesticks are trending upwards, and that could look like a breakout in the making, well, it could also be a head fake. And when you've got the price action going one way, but the market participation or the volume, the trading volume going in the opposite direction, that tells you that fewer and fewer people are really participating in this swing high, as they say. Okay, and so there's not much conviction behind the move. You don't have the institutional investors, the whales, the high volume block trades coming in with thousands and thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions of shares. Okay, so you want to trade with the whales. You don't want to swim against the whales, okay? I don't want you to drown. All right, so notice that the price action here is going upwards, but look at the direction of the volume. Right below it, it's going downwards, okay? So you've got paltry volume, not much volume already, and it's just getting lower and lower. And so that tells me that this is not a breakout that I want to buy, okay? And so I'm not going to buy here. I'm just going to leave it alone. Am I telling you to short it? No. That could be a dangerous game because all it takes is one whale to come in and buy up bid up the price by buying large blocks of shares, okay? And shorting is a more risky game than going long, but you might want to at least not take the long side of this trade if you see the price action going in one direction and the volume going in another. So this is definitely a false breakout, as you can see by what happened afterwards. Red candle after red candle, big red candles, okay? So it would have been pretty painful if you had bought here thinking, oh, this is a breakout in the making. Nope, not so much. The volume told the truth. There's a divergence here. So it's not a terrible idea to put the volume bars at the bottom of your chart if you want to. Going to give you a couple more. And by the way, that was a 3-minute candlestick chart, each candlestick representing 3 minutes of price action. This could also be used for swing trading with the daily candlestick chart, or whatever time frame you like. It could also apply. And it doesn't just have to be stocks. I'm going to show you how it could work with a cryptocurrency as well. All right, but let's look again. We're at the 3-minute candlestick chart for intraday trading. This is a good way to go, one way to go. And can you find the divergence? Well, you might be looking in the middle. Don't do it. Look all the way to the left here. Up, 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 right? And you're thinking, oh man, I should buy here because it's a breakout. Nope, it's a fake out. I don't know if you could see it, but there's a volume bar here. Okay, it goes all the way up here, and then it just goes down and down and down, okay? So again, you've got the price action going up and then the volume going down. Sometimes it's hard to tell with the volume bars. You really have to look. They might overlap each other with the candlestick, or it just might, the downward divergence might be kind of subtle. All right, it might just go down slowly, compared to how fast the candlesticks are going up. All right, so don't look for don't look for a huge obvious necessarily move downwards in the volume. It could be kind of subtle. Yeah, you kind of have to look for it sometimes. But there it is. Price action going up. At the same time, right below it, you see the volume bars going dramatically down, and then it just kind of keeps going down. Okay, and then what happens afterward? Well, this was not a breakout, it was a fake out. And down, 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 down. Ouch, right? That would have been pretty painful if you had bought up here. You would have been head faked. No fun. And I promised a cryptocurrency. Can you find the head fake? And this is Bitcoin against the US dollar, BTC USD, 3-minute candlestick chart. I hope you found it. There it is, okay? Yeah, the price action was going down. It bounced up, and you're thinking, oh, this is the start of a breakout. Yeah, not really. Okay, can you see how the price action's going up? But, and again, it's kind of subtle. You might have to kind of use your imagination a little bit to connect the tops of these volume candles here. But you can see, generally, it's trending downwards, okay? Volume going up. And right below it, price action going up, and then right below it, volume bars trending downwards at the same time. And what happened afterwards? It's not always going to happen like this, but it certainly went down and down and down. Ouch, right? That wouldn't have been too much fun. So that is a textbook example. It does not always happen like that, all right? So I don't want you, shorting it necessarily, because, again, all it takes is a few institutional investors, or even just one, to bid the price right up violently sometimes, okay? So be aware of that. Be careful. And it doesn't happen always like this. No indicator is 100% perfect, all right? I want you to make your own decisions. Don't do something just because I'm telling you that it's something to do, okay? I'm not telling you that this always works. So, and also have a plan, by the way. I want you to have a plan for your trading or investing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up on YouTube if it's helpful to you, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and hit that notification bell on YouTube. And if you want that coaching to help you put together a plan, because I don't want you just using charts and you don't have an overall plan, because then you're going to be in trouble. All right, you can contact me for the coaching at davidmodell@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I'll talk to you again soon.